this will represent the most significant protections for life that have been enacted in this state in a generation.
Today, Governor Ron DeSantis signed a law banning nearly all abortions in Florida after 15 weeks of pregnancy. The law makes no exceptions for victims of rape, incest, or human trafficking.
And before the ink was even dry on this new legislation, opponents were already preparing a legal challenge. News Channel 8's Justin Shecker is at Planned Parenthood in Tampa with more information about the ban.
Critics of the new law, like Planned Parenthood, say is part of a national strategy to eliminate access to abortion. The governor signed it as constitutional protections for reproductive privacy are already under review at the nation's highest court. Protecting the unborn.
This bill will save babies.
Or restricting reproductive rights.
This isn't about caring for children. This is about controlling women.
The bill signed into law by Governor Ron DeSantis at a church prohibits nearly all abortions in Florida after 15 weeks of pregnancy.
This is a time where these babies have beating hearts. They can move, they can taste, they can see, they can feel pain, they can suck their thumbs, and they have brain waves.
Republican State Senator Kelly Stargell from Lakeland sponsored the bill. She says her unexpected pregnancy at 17 years old shaped her beliefs on this issue.
And many people said that I would not be able to do any of the things, that I was going to be burdened by, be on the debt of society forever, that if I had that baby. That was the narrative. We're trying to change that narrative. Women can accomplish great things.
Despite Democratic lawmakers' efforts to amend the bill, there are no exceptions for pregnancies resulting from rape, incest, or human trafficking.
This is a dangerous step towards Florida politicians' ultimate goal of banning abortion entirely.
Right now, 50 years of precedent for abortion rights in America hangs in the balance. The U.S. Supreme Court justices heard arguments in December about Mississippi's 15-week abortion ban. As the nation awaits a decision in June that could overturn Roe v. Wade, the ACLU is planning a legal challenge of Florida's new law.
The Florida state constitution has a right to privacy that protects against political interference with Floridians' most personal decisions, including the decision to end pregnancy.
And Florida's new law only allows for 2 exceptions after 15 weeks of pregnancy if the life of the mother is in grave danger or if there's a fetal abnormality. If the legal challenges to this new law fail, it goes into effect on July 1st. Reporting in Tampa, I'm Justin Shecker, 8 on your side.
And for more coverage on the new law, you could go to WFLA.com or check out the WFLA app.